What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Basin RC. We got a little bit different one for you today, I guess, kinda, because I usually start my videos in my little studio for my RC cars and stuff, but today I wanted to do an intro out on the rocks. So today this is gonna be part 2 of the RC 4-wheel drive build, and as you can see, we already got some differences on there. We did some new wheels and tires, and we did the chino mod underneath the, I don't know if you can really see it, but we did the chino mods on the springs, and then we did the O-ring mod as well. We're gonna see if that makes any difference on this. I don't have my hopes up for it, but if it works, it works, and I'm not gonna be mad about that at all. The tires are Proline BF Goodrich's. They're mud terrain TAs in the Predator compound, and we have Vanquish Method wheels on there. So without further ado, let's get out on the rocks. Man, these tires are just grabbing a hold of these rocks. Nice. Does have the stock foams, but they seem to be holding up pretty well. A little bit of tire roll on that front, nothing too crazy. See if we can get it up around this rock without rolling it. Yeah, we're gonna take a back up. See if we can grab a hold of that with the right front. It wants it, it wants it. Okay. Oh, pull it over. That tire is getting all wrapped up around there. Oh, there it goes. I don't know what we're hung up on. Oh, we're free. Oh, man. Kind of powered through that one. Okay, I would like to try to get turned a little bit so we can come straight at the camera. We're at a pretty steep side hill, kind of. Oh, yep, and there it goes. Okay, let's see if we can make that work. I just think it's gonna flip right there. All right, that's much better. Hopefully we don't get hung up on that rear axle. Nope, perfect. I think we can save it. Perfect. Sometimes I forget that these have very little clearance, front and rear, on the approach and departure angles. So it's hard for me to remember how to drive this correctly without messing it up completely. Well, that's it flexed out. I mean, I feel like that has a little bit more flex than what you typically get, which is pretty good. So I want to say that the shaving the shocks down a little, or shaving the springs down on the edges a little bit helped, and as well as the O-rings. Tires are definitely what's making it 100 times better though, that's for dang sure. Oh, drug that rear bumper. That's alright, that's what RC cars are for, to beat up and have fun and enjoy them. Hang in that left front. Nice. Not really anywhere to go on this rock, but definitely looks cool. Alright, let's see if we can make it up this. It's kind of off cambered a little bit, so it might make it a little bit rough to climb this. Plus that sand isn't helping out at all. I can't really get no traction to turn to get squared up with this rock. Oh man. Oh, tires are fighting for it, but we are just so far off the center that it's just, I don't think it's gonna happen. Yep, and there it goes. Well, we landed on our wheels, so let's just drive it from here. Alright guys, well, we got it back from the rocks, and needless to say, I think the O-ring mod and the China mod helped out quite a bit. I mean, it's got a little bit more flex than what it usually does, so, I mean, what else could it be? That's all we really did other than wheels and tires, and that ain't gonna give you more flex. So, that's gonna conclude it for this part of the build, or for the second part of the build. Lots more to come. We have a lot of great ideas, so stay tuned, and until next time guys, we'll see you later.